no gold is not enough.
Hello loves, today we're going to be talking about how to create this Red Riding Hood inspired makeup look. This is as if Red had gotten scratched by the wolf, so let's just get straight onto the tutorial. You're only going to need a few items for this look, so it's really simple. So first we're going to be starting off with our spirit gum, and the top got stuck, so enjoy those awkward faces I just made. So pat it down with your finger until it gets tacky. Then we're going to stick our molding wax on our face, and you're going to want to smooth this down with your fingers. A little tip is to put some Vaseline on your fingers, and you'll be able to smooth it out a lot easier. Then take some translucent powder and pack that all over it so that it's not sticky anymore. And I created like a little dust storm with that powder. Then taking my Pop Art color palette from BH Cosmetics, I'm using a muted pink color to make my skin look very irritated. The eyeshadows that we're going to be using is just to give the effect that our face had been scratched and our skin is really roughed up and just irritated all over. So you're going to want to pat this on, slightly swipe this on, and just keep working it till you get your desired results. And now I'm going to be taking my Morphe 350 palette. As you can tell, I love this palette and I use it practically every day. So I'm going to be using a mixture of browns in that palette just to make my skin look even more roughed up. And then for the claw slits, I'm going to be using a butter knife. I do not recommend using a knife, but it was the easiest thing for me to use. I like the look of the two claw marks at the end being smaller and one in the middle being longer. Then taking a flat brush, I'm putting some black in those scratches just to give myself more depth. Then go over that black with some deep red just to give it more depth and definition. Taking some fake blood, as you can tell I love fake blood, I'm going to be taking a paintbrush and putting that in the middle of my slits first just to give it more of the bloody look because it'll start drying a little bit faster in there and giving it more of a realistic texture, and then sporadically going around with some fake blood just to make it look more realistic and more splotchy. Apply some ruby red lipstick and put on your red cape and you are done with this look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know that I did. Thank you so much, little weirdos, for following me. Don't forget to hit that follow button and that like button so that I know that you want to see more looks like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!